After 2 more days and 3 nights here in KL, we are leaving. But we have decided to stay in Malaysia.
Yes, we will go next to Ipoh. We saw this place and it looks really interesting for us. So that's what we're gonna do next.
Yeah, so we're heading to the bus station now because it's a 3.5-hour bus away. We've arrived at the bus station and we just have a little over half an hour before our bus is due to go. So hopefully that gives us enough time to figure out which platform and where to go. It's quite a big bus station actually, and train station I guess. So let's see. Is that the ticket counter?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's the elevator.
Croatia has an airport that is way smaller than this bus station. Got the tickets. Now we are heading to Terminal 7.
Yes, it's just up here.
We still have time. We did well.
Seems pretty easy actually. I mean, there's so many counters, look at them all. I really hope this bus is quite nice. The tickets say VIP.
It said something with VIP. I wonder what it says. Class.
Class VIP.
Are we going fancy today? I don't have high expectations, so
I feel like it's just going to be like a town bus, basically.
good thing is it's only a 3 hours ride, so
Here's gate number 7. It's actually very easy to make to the bus terminal and figure it out. So we're sat here in front of our terminal and we're not boarding just yet. I think we still have another 25 minutes, so it's quite a good and easy bus station, this one.
and now it's delayed. Changed from schedule to delay.
And now so the bus is about 40 minutes delayed, but it is here and we're getting on.
Hope so.
Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Very VIP.
Perfect. You even have your work desk.
Yeah. Wow. I'll give you a quick little tour of our seating area for the next 3.5 hours. This bus is so nice and way better than the 7.5-hour one when we were traveling to Perhentian Islands. So firstly, really big seat. Proper like headrest here so you can turn to the side and be supported. You got 2 lovely big armrests, but also some USB plugs here. You can move your seat back to lie down, but best of all, we've got a little footrest that can come off, and then got a curtain if it's too bright and I want to nap. So we've got a little table if we want to do a little bit of work, and what I love is that there's nets down here. So you can put your water or you can put anything else stored there, and it's not taking up space from your room. Because look at all this room. Look at all that. I can almost straighten my legs. We made it to Ipoh. It was a 3.5-hour bus journey. It was right on time and actually very comfortable. Those seats were really nice. And I think because there was so much light and like windows, I didn't get feel sick at all. So that was nice. We drove through a storm, proper thunder and lightning.
It's a bit unfortunate right now. It's raining a little bit, but hopefully it will get better.
Let's find a Grab and get to our hotel. this is what €28 will get you here in Ipoh, Malaysia. This is a double room here in the D Eastern Hotel. We got 2 twin beds because when we booked they were all out of double beds. But over here we've got a TV and we do have a nice big window here. Not the best view, but it's nice to have a window. We also see that they did give us a little amenity kit, which includes 2 toothbrushes, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, soap, which is a really nice touch. Back over here, we've got our mirror and desk area. We also have a kettle, some coffee and water there, which is also nice. And then here is the bathroom. So this is quite a nice clean bathroom. You've got your separate shower, toilet, sink. Looks good to me. But back out here, gotta do the bed test. Oh, ooh, that's quite soft. That'll be nice.